All right, you guys, I'm back with another what I wore recently video. I guess I call it what I wore this week, but in reality, this is what I've worn recently. When I put some outfits together, I like to show you what I picked out. So this is actually an outfit that I wore for Sunday brunch when we were in Chicago on a girls trip with my friend Neilani. So I figured I would share with you what I wore. So underneath, I have this little traveler dress from Abercrombie. Super cute, built-in shorts. I have a whole video on where I style this dress 10 different ways. So if you're curious to check it out, if you're purchasing it or you're thinking about purchasing it or you have it, you can check out my video on how to style it 10 different ways. Such a cute dress, such a basic staple in my wardrobe. So I threw it on with a little graphic tee. Or graphic sweater. This is so cute. I recently picked this up from H&M and I'm so happy that I did. The quality is amazing. I was thinking about getting one of the Annie Bing sweatshirts and I still may, but this one was so affordable. It is actually embroidered on the sweater and I feel like it looks way nicer than it actually is. It is a full fleece line. It's nice and soft. I've washed it already a couple times because it's white, so it stains really easily. So cute. I went ahead and just pulled up the sleeves. It was a little chillier and rainy this day, so I thought this outfit was perfect. And then to kind of give it a more cropped look, I paired it with my little mini belt bag or bum bag, whatever these are called, from Lulu. This is the mini one, which I prefer to the original. It's small, but I feel like it's slimmer and nicer. So I went ahead and put this on the tightest setting and put it around my waist to kind of give that cropped effect, so it kind of looks like a skirt with a sweater. I threw my hair up in a clip. Again, it was raining and I just wanted my hair out of my face. Super simple jewelry, some pearl earrings, my watch, and my nails. And then I think I wore Converse this day, but honestly, if I could pick, I would have gone with my Vans. I prefer my Vans with this outfit. I just think it's a little bit more casual. And then I did use these sunglasses to complete the look. So cute. These are like my all-time favorite sunglasses. I also own them in tortoise shell. So that was my Sunday brunch outfit. So cute. Obsessed. All right, so this is the outfit that I actually wore on our full day in the city on Saturday. We went to brunch and then kind of just went around to different bars and things like that. So this is the outfit I wore. Neilani was calling me my coastal grandma outfit, but I was so comfortable and yes, was able to do all the activities, aka drinking too much, eating too much. But nonetheless, this is what I wore. So this sweater is from H&M. I'm absolutely in love with it. I just purchased it and I've already worn it like more times than I can freaking count. It's so good. I love it. It's soft. It is a little bit oversized in the arms, so I go ahead and just push it up. I have this little sweater. Or not a sweater. It's a long sleeve striped shirt that I recently picked up from Zara. I like it. It's a bit more oversized and I can wear it as a traditional shirt or as like a layering piece like this, how I have it. My bag, which obviously matches the green pretty perfectly, so cute. And then my 7-inch shorts from Abercrombie that I love. These are my most comfortable, most worn shorts like ever. And then I paired it with my high top Converse. These are just really comfortable and I feel like just really cute with this outfit. I also did wear sunglasses because it was sunny out, so these are the glasses that I wore. I was just feeling this outfit. I think it's super cute and really fun. I don't know, it's really basic pieces, but it's a bit more elevated with the sunglasses, I guess, and like the sweater over the shoulder. I just feel like it elevates the look a little bit more. But yeah, this is like the epitome of like a me outfit. Very just casual, very comfortable, but with some interest to the outfit to make it look a little bit more, I don't know, special. So, all right, this is just one of my like staple go-to sort of fits, but I did just pick up this orange sweater in a recent order that I made and it's so cute. I love orange on me. Orange and green are like my two favorite colors. I just really feel like they make my blonde hair pop and my blue eyes pop. So I'm a fan of this orange. I like the cut of the sweater, everything about it. It's a little more slender in the arms than that green one. but it's really cute. I like this thicker band around the top. It's a little bit cropped, but not like super cropped. It's just a little bit shorter of a fit. I did French tuck it into my favorite jeans from H&M, which I don't think they make anymore. They might, I'm not sure. I'm obsessed with these jeans. They're my all-time favorites. Worn them a gajillion times, but I just love everything about them. The way they fit, the length, everything. And then I recently picked up these new sneakers for the fall. These are the Vejas, I think. I used to say them very wrong, but anyway, they're like a neutral taupey sort of color, and I have looked everywhere for like a more neutral sort of fall sneaker, and I got these in and I'm obsessed. They're super cute, and I think they're gonna go with so much this season. I was thinking like they'll even be cute with like trousers and things like that to make trousers a bit more casual and wearable, with some cargo pants, everything. I love, like I said, that taupey sand color. So yeah, this was just a very basic outfit I wore around for the day to film, and then I picked up some groceries and things like that in this outfit. It's just a very neutral, casual outfit, but I feel like it's elevated with like the basics, the cute, super cute sneakers, and then the pop of color for the orange. Went with my basic pearl earrings, basic accessories, my watch. I love this watch. Talk about it all the time, this Movement one. And my nails, I did like that glazed donut sort of look, so I will link the polishes that I used down below for that. But yeah, this was another super basic, really comfortable outfit, but I felt like the color was fun and added a bit more of like, I don't know, pop and interest to my basic uniform, which is always jeans and a top, so. All right, you guys, this outfit pairs some of my all-time favorite pieces in my wardrobe together, or my most worn, maybe not my favorites, but my most worn, which is first of all, this little white tank. These are from Target. Yes, my bra is showing because I just wore my denim jacket, so I didn't really care. But yeah, this is like my favorite. I own these in so many different colors. They're perfect. They're a great layering piece or to just wear on their own. I recently did get this little acid wash denim jacket on ASOS because it was on major sale. I don't think they have it anymore, but I'll try to link something similar. It's a little bit oversized. It doesn't really look that acid wash. I'm obsessed with it. But the other most worn piece that I have in my wardrobe are these little joggers from Amazon. They are like a kind of sweat wicking sort of material. They're ruched at the, or like cinched in at the waist with a string. These are in navy. I own them in black as well. They're perfection. Awesome for traveling, awesome for walks. I wouldn't wear these to work out because I prefer leggings, but you totally could. They're like an athletic legging. I paired it with my gold hoops, my watch, and then again, my new sneakers. I'm obsessed with these sneakers. They're so comfortable, super cute, and I think they give like between like a New Balance and a what other sneaker, like a Nike Dunk or Air Force, girl, I don't know, but I love them. I think they're super cute, and I think they pair really well together with this outfit. The denim jacket just kind of like makes it a little bit more, I think, fashionable, but also warmer. Miss Winnie snoring. But anyways, yeah, this was a basic outfit. If you've not tried these joggers from Amazon, you need them. I've owned them for probably 3 years now, maybe if not longer. No, probably 3 years. I think I bought them when I was done being pregnant with Arlo. So 2.5 years. They're great quality. They do not pill on me, and I'm obsessed. I wash them, dry them, all the things. They're great. Great for traveling, great for everyday wear, and a staple in my wardrobe, and I kind of want the green ones for the fall. Right, so this is actually what I wore today. I didn't really leave my house, hence why I have no shoes on. But I recently picked up this black tee. I also have it in white and in stripes from Abercrombie. It's like their boxy tee. It's not quite fully cropped. It's still able to be tucked in, but it is a more cropped boxy fit. The shoulder is a drop shoulder, and I like the length on the sleeves. Super cute, kind of tomboy-ish, which is why I paired it with the belt. I kind of feel like it's very 90s. So I grabbed this belt from Amazon recently, and I kind of have been into belts recently, like the thinner ones, not like super thick and chunky, but it's got the gold accents, which is why I paired it with some gold hoops. My hair is filthy, so we're gonna ignore that. But yeah, this is what I wore today to just chill around my house, get some errands done. These have been my favorite purchase recently of jeans. These are from Abercrombie. So comfortable, so cute, perfect amount of stretch. These are the ultra high rise 90s fit, whatever they are. They're really, really good, perfect wash, perfect everything. So this is just a very obviously casual, very basic staple outfit. I don't get dressed up every day at all, but when I do, I like to just be polished, comfortable, and that's why I love sticking with basics, having a very basics wardrobe to mix and match, so you always feel put together even though it's just jeans and a t-shirt. So yeah, if I were to go out of the house for shoes, I would probably wear sneakers, like maybe my Vans or something. Again, really casual. You could go with a fun pop for a sneaker because your outfit was pretty basic, but yep, that was today's outfit. All right, so that is going to wrap up this week's outfits of the week, what I wore recently video. If you like seeing videos like this, please let me know by giving the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this style. I took some feedback from the last one and put on my camera mount, so it was a little less shaky, but I really like doing these videos. They're really fun and an awesome way to inspire myself to get dressed and show you how I style the pieces that I wear on a day-to-day basis when I do like capsule wardrobes or I do hauls or things like that. It's nice to kind of see how they transition into my everyday wear, and you can see that I actually wear all the outfits that I talk about. So that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.